Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I've been spending a lot more time at home these days, and I've been spending especially most of my time here in the kitchen. And one thing I want to get better at is baking. In partnership with KitchenAid today, I will be baking for my neighbors. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I have the best neighbor. I talk about her all the time. She's always baking me cookies, bread, all sorts of baked goods, and I wanted to return the favor today. As you all know, baking requires a lot of cleanup, which I'm sure we all do not look forward to, but today I'll be using the KitchenAid FreeFlex third rack dishwasher, which is going to make cleanup so much faster, so much easier. Growing up, my family pretty much used the dishwasher as storage. Can y'all relate? But as an adult now, I fully take advantage of the dishwasher because it allows me to just have more time to do other things that I enjoy doing. And just having the extra capacity of the third rack allows me to fit more in one load, and the KitchenAid dishwasher actually has the largest third rack available. And it's also a nice peace of mind knowing that my dishes are getting nice and clean. All right, so today I'll be making a sesame mochi muffin and a berry cupcake. These are both recipes from my friend's cookbook, Everyday Pleasures. She has so many recipes in there ranging from breakfast all the way to desserts. And yes, I did get a new range for my kitchen. This is part of KitchenAid's new line of commercial style ranges, and they're actually available in 9 different colors. The one I have is called Milkshake, and I just love it so much. I feel like it fits right into my kitchen aesthetic. I'm gonna get to baking, but first I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so I'm gonna start by mixing all of the wet ingredients first, and then I'm gonna slowly add in the dry ingredients, and I'll be using the KitchenAid cordless hand mixer to mix all of this up. Okay, now I'm gonna add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then a dash of pink salt. I'm not sure how much of the zest I need, so I'm just gonna make a good amount. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding all the wet ingredients first, and then I'll slowly add in the dry ingredients just like I did with the mochi muffins. 3/4 cup of maple syrup. Okay, and then I just realized that I'm out of avocado oil, so I'm gonna hope that olive oil is gonna work. All right, I hope that's okay. And then the zest of the orange. One teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then now I'm gonna finish mixing this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the frosting. For the frosting, I just need some mascarpone cheese. Is that how you say it? Heavy cream, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Okay, so while I wait for the muffins in the oven, I'm just gonna start cleaning up. I made quite a mess. I recently got the latest KitchenAid FreeFlex 3rd rack dishwasher, and it is so amazing. I've never had a dishwasher before that has a 3rd rack, and now I'm just obsessed. I just love that with the 3rd rack, I can fit so much more in there, and each thing has a place so that it gets thoroughly cleaned during the wash. The upper rack is so cool because it has a deep angle design that fits 6 inches glasses, mugs, and bowls. It really gives you more room up top without losing the space on the lower racks. And the dishwasher also has these rotating jets to get right into those hard to reach dishes. I love that it has 3 racks, so I have options on how to fit all my dishes in here. Okay, now that it's all loaded up, I'm gonna go ahead and check on my desserts and see how that's looking. I am so proud of how it all turned out. It smells so good, it looks amazing, and I just packed it up in this little Tupperware. This Tupperware actually belongs to my neighbor. She recently baked me something and delivered it in this, so I'm gonna return the favor in her little Tupperware. Look at how cute this is. It's like a little vintage, can I fit it? Oh my gosh, I can, okay. It's like a little vintage pot. So I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. I had so much fun with these recipes and I cannot wait to try it. So if you guys are interested and you want to check out the KitchenAid FreeFlex 3rd rack dishwasher, I'll put more information in the description box down below. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video.